Hi everyone, this is Mary with the K Grant Group. I want to welcome you to my newest listing here in Buckeye. It's located in the West Park community. This is a gorgeous 3-bedroom with a den, 2-bath home, 2-car garage. It's a perfect starter home. It's beautifully cared for, well maintained, and as you can see behind me, it's very well decorated. Unfortunately, decorations don't come with the house, but this could be your home. Why don't you come on in and take a look and let me know what you think. Well, what did you think? Great house, isn't it? Could be yours. If you're interested, give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you soon.